Huey, come on, buddy. Daddy just wants to talk, and maybe bury you in a tasteful snowbank. Bloody hell, he's right on my tail. Think, Stewie, think. Footprints, double back, yes. Where the footprints just end?
Hiya, I'm SpongeBob, and guess what? I made my own ad with an AI buddy called Sora. All I did was type, make a mouth-watering Krabby Patty commercial, and boom! Sora whipped up this sizzling masterpiece. I posted it, customers poured in, and the register went check.
Been a while since somebody made me dance.
You're fast, just not fast enough.
Let's turn it up a notch.
Still standing?
Yeah, still enjoying it.
Dude, what the hell is that? It says Waymo.
Waymo? Like some kind of fancy Uber for snobs?
Mm-mm. Take me to Casa Bonita.
Navigating to Casa Bonita. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Dude, it's driving itself.
Of course, Cartman hijacked the robot car.
Hanabi, 綺麗だね。でも僕たちは少しずつ離れていく。
We thought you'd left us.
Why did you come back?
He's watching. Laugh.
Out here, the key to enjoying ramen is respect for the broth.
Lift the noodles, let them breathe, then slurp. The air cools them and wakes up the flavor.
And you sip the broth right from the bowl.
We'll see about that. Not today. It's over.
My heart was beating so loud I thought she'd hear it. Say it.
I like you.
One Piece は実在するんだ。
ワンピースってなんだってばよ。
Quem é aquela ali?
O sol brilha na estrada, o vento dança em mim, no meu carro cor-de-rosa, sou livre até o fim.
I have trodden the wine press alone.
Ih, 今どこ見てたの？
信
じられない。あいててててて。ごめんってば。ん？
How can you type after a disaster like that?
I gotta share with my LinkedIn network the B2B sales insights of nearly destroying a planet and being half digested by an alien.
No, you're right, Rick. Cloud first.
Pika! Pika! Pikachu?
There they are. Easy, almost got it. Look at that shine.
Quit gawking. Load it up before someone walks by.
Yeah, I'm on it.
Time to move.
Up on the wrong rooftop, kid. I'm not in the mood for speeches.
I'm not here for speeches. I'm here to stop you before you turn the whole city into a spreadsheet.
Spreadsheet? I call it order. People crave it, even if they don't.
Come here often, or is tonight my lucky night?
Maybe a little of both. You always open with lines like that?
Only when they work.
And how do you know if it works?
You're still here, aren't you?
Maybe I like the sound of that voice.
Then let me buy you another drink and keep talking.
Hey, Brian. You suck.
Wow. Good to see you, too.
Stand aside, citizen! I've got an alien to neutralize!
What the?
Gotcha, spaceman! I'm a dog, man! Nice try, shapeshifter!
Whoa,
he's not an alien, he's just a
Is really a pineapple? It smells like fruit salad in here.
Yup, home sweet home.
I thought it was a giant traffic cone. It's obviously a pineapple, Patrick.
Oh.
Po's got himself a girlfriend.
Yeah, big guy. Now hold my purse.
Whoa, it weighs more than my hair.
Lightweight.
She's strong.
The frozen heart of Pluto. Locals talk about a little place hidden down an exhaust alley. No English on the sign, just turquoise glyphs glowing through the dust. Inside, it's all steam and copper and brine. I'm here to see why people call it the best restaurant.
The world plunged into war. He saw an empire to win.
Let them bleed each other dry. We will decide the ending.
From the best-selling book by Sean McMeekin comes the untold story of the war he fought.
なんでただの卵にご飯でこんな幸せなんだよ。俺の中の力が目覚めた。これが真の俺だ。
Ugh, Stacy, my boss is totally into me. Yeah, like keeps sending me winky emails and everything. But he's a liberal. I know, right? It's so cringe. I'd honestly rather date like a one-eyed clown named Bebo.
That drumstick's mine.
Oi, don't yank the whole plate, idiot. Got it.
He never slows down. More for me.
And then the Sea King was this big. I had to shoot it straight between the...
If we tune the magnetron to 2.401 gigahertz and line it up with the phone's burst window, the waves interfere here.
See?
And the pattern stabilizes long enough to imprint the data.
So it's all about phase alignment, not just time.
None of this lines up. It's all the same
Keep
recycled
reading,
theory.
brother. There's got to be something useful in here. We just have to be patient.
Yeah, I know. Thanks.
Man, this is awesome. Believe it.
I'm glad you enjoy it, Naruto.
Teuchi, you outdid yourself.
Glad you like it, Naruto.
It's nice.
Sharing a bowl with you like this.
So this is hell. Quieter than I expected.
Depends on which pit you're in.
I thought Shinigami didn't come here.
We don't. I just got bored and dropped by. Had to see how my favorite human was settling in.
Favorite? You killed me.
Every piece has its role. Every move its cost. Even a king can't win alone. The key is knowing which sacrifice opens the path to victory.
Funny thing about all that space. So much of it, and it still feels crowded in here.
Still going, huh? That's 80 already.
Can't stop now. 100's the goal.
Guess I better get faster then. We keep pushing like this, we won't lose to anyone.
Yeah.
It's gaining on us!
Keep moving!
There's a side street ahead!
We make it to the stairs. We live.
Let's go! Don't look back! You're wide open!
Just one.
You're finished, Shinigami.
Like hell I am. Zero.
Getsuga!
Tensho! I'm not done yet.
Shadow Clone Breakbeat! Ha!
Let's spin, guys!
Catch!
You're not escaping, Light-kun!
Quit calling me that while you're trying to kick me!
Persistent as ever.
You're one to talk! Ow! Get back here!
The lake looks different at this hour.
Yeah, like it's holding the sky for us.
Even in this rain, I can see you clearly. I won't break again.
Kneel, Shadow Wielder!
Not a chance!
Insolent!
End of the line!
Too slow.
I won't let you toy with me, Hisoka.
Such a lovely spark.
Try keeping up.
Oh, I intend to.
Yo, I'm bald, but the shine's still lethal. Staging ruins on board of sequels. You huge, cool, means more echo when the rhyme hits you.
Chaos is what we've lost touch with. This is why it is given a bad name.
If you beat me in this match, you'll have to admit you're Kira. Deal. Wait a minute.